To configure your audience, you can either click on the name or on the settings cog. This takes you to a new section of the app. On the top left, you will see the audience's name, the status, and the frequency that you have applied previously. In the top right, you can see further details of your audience, including the marketing platform and data source it's connected to, as well as the audience ID. The pencil allows you to check the description of business area you have previously assigned to the audience. Now for the fun part. At this stage, you can slice and dice your customer data to create an audience segment. This uses simple logic input fields. In this case, the first field you will be asked to complete is consent. This is to ensure only consented customers are included. If the marketing channel has not been sent to consent required, then this field will need to be added manually. Now search and scroll to find the relevant fields you wish to include in your audience. Before dragging and dropping your field, choose a relevant logic statement to build out your query. On selection, a new box will appear for you to place your bespoke fields. Simply select, drag, and drop into the sections as shown. Don't worry, we will walk you through a work example later on to bring this to life. Once your fields are populated, select a conditional logic statement that best meets your requirements, then insert a value. If a text field is selected, you have the option to use a search function which will display the values you can select from, or alternatively, you can start typing in the space. If you hit spacebar, the fields will show in alphabetical order. If you select a numerical field, you can type in the correct value or use the arrows to define. Once you have defined your query, you can check it looks accurate by reviewing the SQL code. You can also send this to your admin user if you have any queries you can't resolve yourself. You will also see a filtered audience size showing you the number of records the audience contains. Once you are happy, you can either save this draft to complete later or save and schedule, which will populate the audience for you to use. You will see a green bar appear at the top, signaling a successful scheduling. The default status of the audience is paused, and in order for it to run, click Run. After this, it will run automatically on the frequency you have scheduled, and you will see the status change to running. If the marketing platform is in the process of updating the audience, it will show as pending. Now your audience is running successfully, you can return to the audience's home view. To the right of this, you will see the grade of this audience, when it was last connected, and when it was last run.